Once you learn these life lessons, you will never be the same. Not because life becomes easier, but because you become clearer. 1. Being honest may not get you a lot of friends, but it will always get you the right ones. Truth filters your circle naturally. What remains is real. 2. Sometimes you just have to accept that some people can only be in your heart, not in your life. Love doesn't always require proximity. Acceptance brings peace. 3. Stop being so available to people who are only there for you when it's convenient for them. Access should be earned, not assumed. Boundaries protect self-respect. 4. Nothing can bring you peace but yourself. When you rule your mind, you rule your world. Inner order creates outer calm. Control begins within. 5. You will ruin your life trying to make everyone happy. Approval is endless demand. Self-betrayal is the real cost. 6. Forget trying to change people. Either change yourself, change your environment, or both. Power lives in your choices, not in others' behavior. 7. When your motives are sincere, it's not you who loses anyone, it's others who lose you. Integrity never abandons you, it simply reveals truth. 8. Privacy is power. What people don't know, they can't ruin. Silence preserves momentum. Not every move needs witnesses. 9. The chief trick to making good mistakes is not to hide them, especially not from yourself. Honesty accelerates growth. Denial delays wisdom. 10. You can waste your life drawing lines, or you can live your life crossing them. Fear draws limits. Courage dissolves them. 11. You are the product of what you do every day. Identity is built through repetition. Habits shape destiny. 12. No one ever gets tired of loving. They get tired of waiting, hearing lies, assuming, saying sorry, and hurting. Love fades under imbalance, not under effort. 13. Whatever is causing you worry or pain right now won't cause you worry or pain forever. Time softens sharp edges. Nothing stays the same. 14. Stay away from narcissists. They don't play by any rules. They drain without guilt. Distance is protection. 15. Never hate jealous people. They are jealous because they think you are better than them. Envy is admiration twisted by insecurity. Let it pass without reaction.